Hello, it's Jack Huang, Customer Training Specialist at RosterElf. I'm thrilled to show you how to easily hide or view warnings on your roster page. I hope you're doing well and ready to make the most out of your RosterElf account. How to locate warnings. Click the Roster tab in the top menu. This takes you to your current roster page. Look for small red triangles at the bottom right corner of shifts. These indicate a warning. Hover over the red triangle to see its details. This shows you the nature of the warning. How to view shifts with specific warnings. Click the orange warning button in the top right corner. This opens your warning options. Tick the box beside a particular warning. This filters the roster to display only that warning type. See your roster update to show just those relevant warnings. How to hide specific warnings. Click the toggle next to the warning you want to hide. This excludes shifts with that warning. Watch as those shifts disappear from your roster. This keeps your page neat and manageable. How to hide or show all warnings. Click the toggle labeled Show All Warnings. This is your master switch. Switch it off to hide everything or switch it on to view all warnings. This gives you quick control. Thank you for watching, and remember that our friendly support team is always here to help. Happy rostering and have a fantastic day.